Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt. Your heart is Team Skull Grunt, and we are off to play Pokemon Masters. There's an event, Team Skull event, that's gonna happen right now. And we're off to play. Here we go. Welcome to my... Yo, boss! Big sis!
Ready to get beat?
Let us do it, guys. Let us do this. Let us do this. Let us do this. Okay. First of all, can we actually get Team Skull Crash Course login bonus? 150 gems. Awesome. Can we actually scout for them both? I think we can. Problem is, they're together! They're together. This is gonna be tough. Anyway, guys. Let's try to scout for them. If it doesn't work, then it doesn't work. If it works, it works. Let's just play their animation first. Your boys, Exeter. And for Plumeria, cool. Anyway, guys, if you wanna learn Team Skull's hand gestures, I have a video in YouTube. You can check it out. There's a proper way to do it. Not just randomly flaming of hands. There's a proper way to do it, guys. There's a semi-tutorial. Link description. Link in the description. Here we go. I hope we get them. But no promises. We didn't get good. We didn't get Pancina. We didn't get Sabrina anyway, so I have low hopes. Until we can get them all. No hope. No hope. Guys, I'm so frustrated. We didn't win the fan art festival contest. I was really hoping that we'd win. Not the grand prize, but at least one of the 3 consolation prizes. Yeah. Fail. Anyway, let's just check out what this update has for us. So we can go to shop, we can go to exchange items, and there's no event exchange item over there. What about the missions event? Actually, guys, there's none. But there's a mission bingo. Team Skull Crash Course 1, Team Skull Crash Course 2, Team Skull Crash Course 3. And let's just check it out. We need to finish single player area, Team Skull's Kindness, Challenge Team Break Part 2. You need to finish them 3 times. Use 10 super effective attacks. That's all, guys. That's all for this video. Next video, we'll do it in a row. Story event. That's all. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.